How to download Crunchyroll application on your device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download your Crunchyroll application on your device. So if you have been using this regular web version of Crunchyroll, just like this, if you don't know, there is an option or application available on the Play Store of the official Crunchyroll app, which you can easily download and install to watch animes. So what you need to do is simply head over to Play Store and simply search in for Crunchyroll, and as you can see, there's the official application. So you can also download it for your Android TV. So so you know, so simply click on install button from over here and wait for some time for it to install. And once it gets installed, simply click on open button over here, which will open your official Crunchyroll application. So that is exactly how you can easily download Crunchyroll application on your Android device. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.